Hello Internet, I hope you're doing fine and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can put text in our videos using Adobe After Effects. Now there are many ways you can put text on your videos. One of them is the annotations in YouTube, but by far the best is Adobe After Effects. I'm going to teach you how you can do that step by step. Now I've got Adobe After Effects open. You go to composition and select the new composition, and I've got a video on which I want to put some text, and the duration and the length of that video is 22 seconds, so I'll make it 22 here. And you could select the dimensions of the video, the aspect ratio and all. And this is a new composition video, and for all the new users, if you want to import some media into your composition, you can double click it here and then you could import the media. I'm importing a video file here. This is a short video clip, and then you could drag it over to your composition 1 workplace. Now you've got the timeline here on which you can easily put in text. You can have a greater control of when the text will appear, when it will disappear. You could put in animations and all, but this is going to be a simple video. I'm just going to illustrate how you can put text and at different timelines. So the first step is you can right click here and go to new, and then you could go to text, and you've gotten a new text layer here. So alright, I'm going to select whatever random thing, and now this is where you do the timeline selection. For example, I want to make this text appear after some time in the video. So what I'll do is I'll move around with this bar here. So what I'm doing here is I want to bring this text into the video at around 1 second. So I'll do it here, and I want to let this text stay here for, let us say, 12 seconds. So if you move around on this timeline, you'll find that this appears at 1 second, and it is going to stay there for 12 seconds and it disappears after that. Okay, alright, now what you can do is you can create a new text layer again and add almost 6 seconds, or rather 8 seconds. I'll put in some text. And I'll move this text. I've moved the second layer of the text just above the first layer, just below the first layer, and you could select any other color for this. As a matter of fact, you can you can do whatever you want to do with the text. You can increase the size of the text here, you can increase the spacing between the text, the height and the distance between the characters, so on and so forth. But as a quick reference, just to keep the video short, what I'll do is I want this layer to appear at about 8 seconds, and it'll stay there for the same amount of time. Okay, now we're adding the final text, and I want this text to appear after this text vanishes. This third layer starts at about 12 seconds, and I can increase the size here. This spacing doesn't look so nice. But anyhow, so that's how I've managed the timeline, and then you could preview it here. So what this is going to basically do is this is going to bring in this text, and at this time it is going to bring in this text, and at this time it is going to bring in this text on the video, and it'll vanish after almost, let us say, 20 seconds. And once you're done with all the text on the video, you could select all the layers here by pressing Ctrl A, then go to File and Export, go to Add to Render Queue, and you could select the settings here. I prefer H.264, which is the standard coding for videos to be used on web, and moreover the size remains okay with this format. So I'll press OK, and then I'll say render. This might take a minute or two, and once the video is done, I'll be back. The process is complete. We'll go to the location where the file is saved, and we've got this video file here. Okay, you can see the text is on the video at the specified timelines, and of course this is a very basic tutorial. You can put drop shadows on the text, you could make this text appear or disappear with some animation effects and all, but that was not the intent of the video. I hope this quick video was helpful for those who are wanting to put in text at different timelines, and that too with a greater amount of customization. So thank you so much for watching this video. As always, you take very good care of yourself and have a good life. You have a very good day ahead. Bye.